The Indus Valley Civilization, also known as the Harappan Civilization, was a major Bronze Age urban culture. Flourishing alongside Egypt and Mesopotamia, it spanned approximately 1.3 million square kilometers across parts of modern-day India and Pakistan. The civilization evolved through three key phases. The early Harappan phase saw the rise of initial settlements. This grew into the mature Harappan phase, the apex of urban planning, before transitioning into the late Harappan phase, marked by gradual de-urbanization and shifting trade patterns. Harappan urban planning was remarkably advanced. Cities were organized on a strict grid system, with a division between an elevated western citadel and a lower eastern town. Construction relied on standardized kiln-fired bricks, typically following a strict 1:2:4 ratio. Sanitation was a priority in these ancient cities. Homes were connected to a sophisticated drainage system covered with brick slabs for maintenance. They featured private bathrooms and soak pits. Additionally, sites like Dholavira utilized complex water harvesting systems and stone reservoirs to manage resources. The economy was a structured mix of agriculture, pastoralism, and specialized crafts. Farmers grew wheat and barley, and the region was among the first to produce cotton. Cities also hosted industrial clusters, such as the famous bead-making factories in Lothal and Mohenjo-daro. Trade linked the Indus Valley to distant lands. Evidence shows extensive networks reaching Mesopotamia, Bahrain, and the Persian Gulf. Harappan seals have been discovered in major Mesopotamian cities, while standardized weights and measures helped regulate this vast commercial activity. The artistic legacy of the Harappans is rich and distinct. It includes an undeciphered logosyllabic script found on intricate steatite seals, often depicting animals like the unicorn. Famous artifacts like the dancing girl bronze statue and standardized pottery reflect their sophisticated cultural identity. Regarding society and belief, social stratification is evident in city layouts. While there are no undisputed temples, iconography like the Pashupati seal suggests a complex religious life involving male and female deities. Burial practices also varied, ranging from simple interments to elaborate coffin burials. Key sites provide unique insights. Harappa is known for its granaries and burial customs. Mohenjo-daro remains famous for the Great Bath and the Dancing Girl. Meanwhile, Lothal is celebrated as an ancient port city, and Rocky Gari stands out as the largest known site. The decline of the civilization was not sudden, but a gradual process linked to environmental changes. Shifting monsoon patterns, drought, and the drying of the Ghaggar-Hakra river system likely disrupted the agricultural base, leading to a slow abandonment of these great urban centers.